What's up guys, this is a quick unboxing for the Peteme indoor wireless IP camera. So I've actually bought this from Amazon for $35.99 and I'll leave a link in the description below. So the brand name is Peteme, but it's actually made by Victure. So right, what we'll do is we'll quickly have a look around the box. So this is what it looks like when it comes in the box. So on the side of here it says HD, two-way audio, motion detection, human detection, and IR, which is infrared for day and night vision. So it's got a little bit more information there. If you want to quickly see that, you can pause it. So on the other side we've got a PTZ, which means it'll pan, tilt and zoom. So it'll spin around 360 degrees and it can see you everywhere. It's got cloud services, so if you want to save your recordings on cloud you can do. It's encrypted ID, so nobody can just log on. And it's got hotspot. What it means by hotspot is basically you can select certain areas, so it will keep an eye on them areas the most, and if it notices any motion or anything like that, it will alert you straight away. So underneath that we've got a QR code, and you can scan that with your phone, and it'll take you straight to the app to control the camera itself. So that's for iOS devices and Android devices. So you actually get a 12 months warranty with it as well, and I'll open the box up so we can see what we get inside it. So we've got another box inside. I'll open that first. So we've got a user manual. We've got a power adapter, which takes a USB at the back, and this will simply slide up like this when you're using it and plugging it in, and it slides back down. We've got USB power lead, 2 screws and 2 wall plugs, and we've got a mounting bracket. So this actually screws underneath the camera, and you can mount this to the ceiling or to a wall. So you can fix it to a wall like that if you needed to, or a ceiling upwards like that. And you can adjust it, and it's got a tightening, so you can adjust it. So right, let's have a look at the camera. So this is what the camera itself looks like, and I'll let you quickly have a look around it. I'll see underneath. So that's where the actual mounting bracket fits, underneath there. There's another QR code if you need to scan that for your app and stuff, or when you add a camera. So right, what can I tell you about it? So if you can see on the top of there, that's a photo resistor, which senses how bright it is, so it can control when to turn the infrared on and off. Underneath there it's got a 3.6mm lens, which is 2 megapixels, and it records at 1080p at 25 frames per second. Underneath that there is a, if you can see that, I don't know if you can, but there's a microphone right there, so you can hear everything. So if I slide this up, underneath there, if you can see that, that's where you actually fit your micro SD card, and it'll take a class 10 card and it will fit anything from an 8 to a 64 gigabyte card. So like I said, the camera itself, it will pan, tilt and zoom as well. So on the back of it here there's a speaker, so you can speak to people or speak to whoever, and I think that's another speaker there. So on the back of it here, it's got a little connection. So this is where your power lead connects in. It's got a reset button, and it's got a LAN port as well. So you can hardwire your internet connection to it if you don't want it wirelessly. So right guys, that's everything about the camera I can really tell you. So right guys, that's all I can tell you about it. I hope this helps somebody out who's thinking about buying one. And thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.